Hi guys, I'm Sean from Driving Test Wizard, and we're gonna rip up those L plates. Rip up your L plates. Okay then. Just to show you how the steering works in reverse. Itch on my nose. I'll do that again. Steering in reverse. Now, a lot of people get a bit confused about steering in reverse. In fact, most people, when they start to learn to drive, do. And they think that because you're going a different direction, you have to steer in a different direction. And it's not really the case. So I'm just going to show you this here now. We can see from this steering wheel that the wheels are straight. And we're going to go back, first of all, in a straight line. So if I want to reverse in a straight line, I'm going to see this as a clock face, and I'll put my hand at 12 o'clock, and I'll make sure that as I reverse back, it stays at 12 o'clock. So this is how I'm going to go back in a straight line. I'll just make sure everywhere is clear, first of all. There's somebody just in a minute, there's a couple of cars behind us that's opening their door, but I think we're okay, got plenty of room. So as I'm moving back, I'm looking over my shoulder, but you'll see this hand stays in the same place. And if that hand stays in the same place, then I know, just wait here, white car going by, then I know that even though I'm looking round, the wheels will stay in the same place and I'll go back in a straight line. And that's really all you need to think about when going back in a straight line when you're reversing, is just pop your hand at 12 o'clock and keep it there. And even though you're looking around, try and make sure that that hand stays there at 12. I'm just going to move forward a little bit now, so we can just have a little look at then what happens if we want to go in or in toward the curve, which would be from this position left a bit or right a bit out from the curve. So I'm going to pop it into reverse gear. Now, if I want to steer going backwards to the right, then I should steer to the right. It's the same as going forward. So let's have a look at that now. So you can see my hand is at 12 o'clock again. I'm looking around, I'm moving back. So there's a red car coming through. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds later, and there's someone behind us as well. Again, if you're doing any kind of reversing maneuver, you're a hazard. So you have to just wait and let the road clear, and then you can carry on with what you're doing. So we can move back now. And now I'm going to move this hand from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And if you watch the camera at the front, that's going to take me out into the road. It's going to straighten that back up. Now, if I want to straighten that wheel up again, I'm going back in a parallel fashion. I need to move it to the left, don't I? So I'm going from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And that's going to bring the car around like that. So then it brings it into the left. So if I want to go left, backwards or forward, I'm going to steer left. And that's what happens, and the car moves to the left. And then if I want to steer right, backwards or forward, I'm going to move this hand right to 3 o'clock, and then I'll go to the right. And it's as simple as that. So it's the same going backwards as it is forwards. So if you want to steer, if you want the car to move to the left, steer left. And if you want the car to move to the right, steer right. It's easy as that. Okay, I hope that helps. Cheers, guys. Hi guys, I'm Sean from Driving Test Wizard, and we're gonna rip up those L plates. Rip up your L plates. Okay then.